How to redeem a Best Buy gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can redeem your Best Buy gift card online. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to redeem your Best Buy gift on the Best Buy e-commerce website, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is just simply open up your browser and go to bestbuy.com and log into your account. Once you go to bestbuy.com and then log into your account, make sure to simply add the products that you want to shop to your cart. In my case, I've already added to my shopping bag icon, so you can see on my cart. Let's say I want to check this product out, and we have to go to the payment information page. So just go to pick up anywhere else and just tap on the checkout option. Once you are on the payment information page, what you want to do is, in order to redeem your gift card, you have to look for the payment option with gift cards. So right over here, first of all, let me just go ahead and also enter my password. Now I'm successfully logged into my account. Now right over here you can see all the pickup options, and now you can see at the bottom continue to payment information. I'll just tap on it. Once I continue to the payment information page, it is right on this page that I have to choose the option called use a Best Buy gift card. Now you can also enter your credit or debit card number, but if you have enough gift card balance on your gift card, just tap on the option called use a Best Buy. Make sure to enter your card number or your discount code as well as your PIN if required, and tap on the apply button, and the balance is going to be used to shop this specific product that you're trying to shop right on Best Buy. That's all it takes to redeem your Best Buy gift card online. It is when you go to checkout page and you go to the payment information page, that's where you select your gift card and then redeem it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.